What's going on, you guys? My name is Tyler from Wiring Specialties. We've been working on chassis harnesses, so we're working on this car. It's an S13 right-hand drive. The car has been all prepped for us. The interior has been removed, the dash has been removed, and the OEM harness is ready for us to take out so we can put our new harness in. So to start the removal process, we're going to start on the passenger side of the car. We're going to remove everything from the wiper motor, the wiper amplifier in here. The wires come up through the fender over here to your headlights. You have other items such as the horn, the washer pump. Now this S13 has had the relocated fuse box, and we'll show you about that. It continues to go down this way, up into the fender, and the rest goes into the interior of the car. So we're going to start on the passenger side, but I wanted to show you where the hidden wiper amplifier is. So we're going to start by removing this connector from here, as well as the wiper motor connector here. Now that everything's removed on this side, we're going to go ahead and pull the harness from passenger side to driver side. So the relocated fuse box is right here. Now with a regular S13 as well, if it's inside the engine bay, it's also going to be better to come out all through the driver's side. Now this is just the front portion. So the fuse box will come out this way, your headlights and everything will come out, and then whatever's left on the interior will also come through this hole, and that is just your front section. So we started over at the passenger side with the wipers. This is the section we started at over here, coming down to the headlights, across the front of the car to your fuse box. This went up and over the driver's side fender. Now, to get this section out, you have to disconnect everything at your steering column. Your headlights, your wiper, your horn, and ignition connectors. And also the SMJ needs to be unbolted. All right, so our main dash harness piece right here is all loosened up and it's ready to come out. But I wanted to point out that we removed and loosened these, and you're gonna keep these on the car itself. These are your power windows. So now all of this will come out. Now that's the main harness run across the dash. Everything on your doors, you're gonna remain intact. So the amplifier, the door switches, that's all gonna stay in the same spot. The other door connectors are right down below here to the right. So now we're gonna continue at the back of the car. We've unplugged all of the lights, the license plate lights, the tail lights, the fuel pump, the third brake light, and we're going to pull all of this into the interior of the car. Now that the rear section is out and all pulled through, we can take the full chassis harness out in one piece.